we'll put out the ice chest and water a little later on today as well. It's hot today. The ice chest and ice water complements the greater early RC. You guys put that out for you guys. Bad time. This is going again today. Ask them if the first thing you like tomorrow or going around Wiley's Island on the exit. Looks like that bike is Lido Red. You can trust it in the 2.32. I know this is the lady, so if you see not too long, answer right away. And 55 seconds down. We got 3:05 to go. Race number 4, you guys are getting ready. Race number 4, that is race number 2 of RC Superbike. You guys are getting ready. Push and shoving going on back there. Again, you guys didn't hear me. The lunch is over there and available thanks to Victor GLARCRC. Just go on over and see those guys. Yeah. Thanks again. Watch the straightaway. Watch the straightaway. But Dwayne is probably the most consistent bike driver we have. He's always fast. He always seems to figure out the track and the setup. The reflection of the way his bikes work. Two of the top 3. So he's one of the most consistent bike driver I've seen here. Alright, like these motorcycles. We're under green. Wayne Lawler will start his spot. Larry D starts his spot. Bruce starts his spot. Wyatt starts his spot. Lido. There's Lido. Craig's out there somewhere. Wayne Lawler, Mr. Consistency. Oh, Craig. I take my hat off to all these guys. These bikes are not easy to drive. They're just not. We actually have a racer in the club. I was explaining to when he first started in RC cars, nobody told him about so drive his RC car right, left, left, right. So if you drive his car and turn left, the car will actually go right. Oh no! I hope that's not who I think it is. They're looking at something on that bike.
Front brake.
Oh, we had contact in front of race. No, something's wrong with that bike. Oh no. Next up is race number 4. You guys, the guys in race number 4 are actually turn marshal after race number 3. Turn marshal with motorcycle guys, that's how he did it that way. Alright. That was Lido. That car, T708.53. Race number 4, you guys are get a little extra time because I know that you're turn marshaling now. So we'll be back to the 2015 layout for the rest of the year. We're coming races. We have, let's see what we have left this year. We have the cancer. We have the Toys for Tots, and we're going to slap. Craig Kaplan kicking up the pace. 25.7 to a 27.7 for Wyatt. So Craig picking up the pace. Mr. Eric. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining in this 7-minute qualifier for your RC Superbike. Number 4. So right now I still have Wyatt, Craig, and Bruce, followed by Larry, Leo, Wayne. Unofficially in that order. Hope you guys are having fun this weekend. Good having you. Meet and greet, drivers meet and greet tonight again at Buffalo Wild Wings at 7 p.m. from 7 to 9 at the Carson Hall.